Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan TheOrganizer. So today I'm presenting two brand new tools in my detailing arsenal, and they're from Tornador. So they're two cleaning tools that you'll hook up to your air compressor, and they can help you detail both the interior and exterior of your vehicle. So the first one we're looking into is this one here. This is the Z-030 Tornador Air Blowout Tool. And the second one is their range topping Tornador MAX, also known as the Z-030. So let me give you a close-up here. So it comes with a container in which you can put your cleaning solution, but basically these are tools, again, that you connect to your air compressor, and they're going to shoot out from the tip a tornado style vortex if you want. So the combination of just air from the first air blowout tool, or this one, you can also add either plain water or your cleaning solution in the container. So I'm going to give you first of all, we're going to present the tools, give you different scenarios in which you can use them, so both inside and outside of your vehicle to do some cleaning tasks. I'm going to also show you the multi-purpose enzyme cleaner that they have to go along with it, how you use it, the dilution ratios, all that type of stuff, and also how you take care of these tools. It is very simple for maintenance. You're going to see how awesome they are. By the way, quick disclaimer, this is not a paid video. It's not a sponsored video. I ordered these products myself. Tornador did not send me these. And also, I'll include the links to all the stuff I talk about in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. So all you have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the Z or Z014, depending on where you are in the world. The air blowout tool, once again from Tornador. So both of these tools are made in Taiwan, and they're very, very high grade or high quality. So this one here is basically like a gun, right? So you're gonna hold this and you're gonna activate the trigger, and you're gonna have to connect this to your air compressor. I added a swivel type connector. I'll add those in the description, by the way. And it has this cone at the end, and inside you're gonna see this kind of tip that goes around and creates a vortex or tornado style output. So basically it blows air. And why would you use this? First of all, you can blow debris and moisture out of hard to reach areas with this. It's perfect for engine bays as well, because you can blow out leaves and debris, and it's gonna help drying when you're done cleaning or detailing the engine bay. Drying the vehicle after a wash, for example, it's going to get the water out of body seams, windows, mirrors, door jambs, door sills, all that kind of stuff. So it's going to avoid drip marks, and it's especially crucial, right, to remove water from all the nooks and crannies before you apply a ceramic coating or a graphene coating. You don't want any water dripping when you're doing that kind of job. So this is going to force that air and, well, clean it out of all the intricate areas or hard to reach areas that a microfiber drying towel won't do. And if you don't want to invest in a bigger car dryer or a blower, and you just want a tool that you can use for multi-purposes, right? So that's the purpose of having these tools, is you can use them for many stuff around the vehicle, both inside and out. On the interior, it's great for blowing out crumbs, trash, and dust from tight, hard areas between and under the seats as well, so you can easily vacuum, right? So ideally, you first start by vacuuming the interior, and you can use this to clean out the debris. Or in some instances, a lot of detailers out there or DIYers like to use this before the vacuum stage, because again, you can blow out all that debris, dirt, junk, and crumbs right out of places that you won't have access to necessarily with the vacuum. So again, in between seats, underneath the seats, the seat rails, that kind of stuff. This is perfect for that situation. It's perfect for cleaning and drying your buffing pads as well. So we all know that when you're polishing or doing some paint correction, working with clean pads is very important, because a lot of polish gets caked on there. It creates a lot of dust often, depending on which compound or polish you're using. So this is perfect to blow out your pads. A lot of guys love this for that reason. And it works with an air compressor that generates between 60 and 90 psi. So make sure you have a good quality air compressor that can supply ideally probably around 5 CFM and 90 psi. That's ideal, because for the next tool, the Z030 Max, those are the recommendations from Tornador. So 5 CFM at 90 psi. I did a recent review that you can check on my channel on my new air compressor. It's a rigid 4.5 gallon 200 psi unit that you can manually set to whatever output you want. So it is perfect for use with these tools. So just make sure you have the requirements so you can use this without any issue. So you would hook them up to your air compressor, which I have on right now. So I add this swiveling coupler at the end because it's more practical. The TORNADOR MAX already comes with the swiveling coupler, by the way. So you would take your air supply line and you would connect the tool to it. And there you go. I have these quick connects to make everything simpler. And if you have a look at the tip here, just look at this cone. I don't know if you can see on camera, hopefully it translates well, but it basically does this tornado style movement or a vortex. So this really helps to focus the cleaning spot, but also release all of that stuff that might get trapped into fibers, carpet, upholstery, all that kind of stuff, so you can easily blow it out. And when you're done, you simply disconnect the tool and you can move to the next one. And talking about next one, let's move on to the range topping Z-030 Max. This is their newest top of the line version. So it comes with different features. This one here, you can use just like the air blowout tool, its little brother, the Z-014. However, the Z-030 Max comes with the container because you can also add either plain water for your cleaning duties, but also cleaners in there. They recommend using pH neutral cleaners so it doesn't damage the internals of this. So don't use high alkaline all-purpose cleaners or that kind of stuff because you might damage the internals. But you can use this enzyme multi-purpose cleaner that they have from Tornador. It is pH neutral and it does a great job at cleaning different surfaces inside the vehicle. So more on that in just a few minutes. First of all, let's go over the features because they're quite cool. This one here has a rubber trigger for a better grip, and you can color customize these as well to your liking. As I said before, it comes with an integrated swiveling coupler, so you can have more range of motion, and when you set it down, it won't tip the bottle over because the line won't make it tip over. You have a 32-ounce reservoir or container here up front into which you can put your solution, and there's this rubber ring in the bottom, again, so it won't slip or accidentally fall. And if we remove it to show you, so it has a wide mouth or wide opening, so you can put your solution in there. Here you have kind of like your metering valve, so that goes inside. And here on the side, it has this lever, so here it would be only air going through, and if you put this lever up or this lever, well then you have access to the cleaning solution. So it has, this one here has a new patented technology for the tip, because it not only has that little tool inside that spins around, but it also has that patented spring technology. So this adds pulsation to the normal tornadic vortex, which in turn reduces cleaning time and increases efficiency. So it can be used pretty much on every interior and exterior surface, just like the Z-014. But this one here, because of the cleaning tank that it adds in there, it's perfect for heavy-duty cleaning needs. So like stains, heavily soiled areas, that kind of stuff. So it's perfect for cleaning the dashboard, the door panels, steering wheel, fabric upholstery, carpets, floor mats, and between the seats. It cleans through tough-to-reach places between the seats and the seams. You can also clean fabric convertible tops with this, wheels and emblems. So sky's the limit. You can also pair it with the ZV200 velocity vac attachment to kind of act like a carpet extractor if you want. So you both have the vacuum and you're shooting out liquid to clean the surfaces. It comes with this tactical LED light here up top. There you go. So that you can swivel, and this is going to illuminate the dark areas in your vehicle. You turn it on in the front. It can also pulsate, turn it off. But again, yeah, you can illuminate the darker areas while you're doing the detailing with this nice LED tactical light. The construction is heavy duty, again, made in Taiwan. And you have this cone. Let me show you maybe from the other side so you guys can have a look. So very sturdy unit. And once again, if we hook it up to the air supply line, thanks to the swiveling coupler, it's very practical when you lie it down. So you connect it, and let me show you now the action. Hopefully you can see this on camera. So let's disconnect this. There we go. Again, they recommend to not use any high alkaline, high pH or acidic type chemicals with these tools because you don't want to damage the internals. More on the maintenance, which is super easy in just a few seconds. But you can use a thing like this that they sell. This is the Tornador Professional Cleaning Tools Enzyme Multi-Purpose Cleaner. So basically it's a heavy-duty spot and stain remover, active enzyme power cleaner inside there, can remove blood stains, coffee stains, food stains, pet stains. You can use it to clean pretty much any interior surface, carpet, fabric, upholstery, vinyl, plastic, and rubber. It also does some odor control as well, and a little goes a long way, by the way. Only 2 ounces of this solution inside your container, and the rest you fill it up with just plain water, and that is it. You mix it up and you're good to go. You have your cleaning solution to clean, again, pretty much any interior surface that you guys can think of. Yeah, so use pH neutral cleaners for maintenance. Cleaning the tools is as simple. So every now and then you're going to dunk the cone inside just some plain water, and you're going to activate it by pulling the trigger a few times, and this is going to clean the inside, and you're good to go to start cleaning again, and that is it. Once, of course, your day is finished and you're done using it, again, dunk it in that clean water. Some like clean soapy water, that's fine as well, but plain water is all you need, really. You activate the trigger a few times. This is going to spin the product around inside there, clean the inner part of the cone tip. You let it air dry, and that is it. You're good to go for the next use. Very, very simple maintenance. So the quality is very, very high. Tornador is a company out of the USA. They have a bunch of other tools, by the way. So this is their range-topping Tornador Max, but they also have the Z-020 Black Series. They also have the classic, I think it's called the Z-010. That one, don't quote me on it, but again, I'll leave links in the description to all of their tools. So depending on which features you need, you can move up and down the range. And of course, their entry-level unit, which is also a must-have, is this Z-014, the Air Blowout Tool by Tornador. If you're just looking to quickly blow some air in there and just loosen everything up to make things easier to vacuum, but this is really because you're reaching out in areas that are difficult to reach. So again, underneath the seats, the seat rails, between the seats and cracks and all that kind of stuff. You can start using this one here with the cleaning solution, by the way. And then when you're done cleaning, so you would have this valve up with the cleaning solution, so the humid side. And then when you're done, you can turn it to only air, and then you can finish drying the section with just some air that's coming out of there and a microfiber towel to mop up, and that's it, you're good to go. So these tools are very versatile. You can use them for pretty much anything. If you have experience with these tools, by the way, drop a comment in the comment section if there are any other things that you guys clean with it, so my viewers can have a better knowledge, and also for me to see what you guys use these for. Again, I'll leave links to all of these tools and equipment in the description under the video for you guys to check everything out. And once again, so the Tornador Z-030, the Tornador Max Air Cleaning Tool, and the Z-014 Tornador Air Blowout Tool, 2 fantastic items that you should have in your detailing arsenal if you're in need of this kind of stuff. So guys, thanks for being there, thanks for watching, and in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.